Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Welcome to our podcast about global warming and our future. Today we are going to talk about what global warming is, what causes it, and how it affects our planet. We'll also share some ideas from the IPCC cases and finish with a creative proposal to protect our world.
Let's start with the definition of global warming. Global warming means the increase of Earth's average temperature because of human activities, especially the burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas. This creates greenhouse gases that trap heat in the process. Scientists have proven that this process is making the planet hotter every day.
Exactly, Valeria. The causes of global warming include deforestation, pollution from factories, cars, and energy production. These actions increase carbon dioxide and methane in the air. Global warming leads to environmental degradation, meaning our ecosystem get damaged. Animals lose their habitats, and natural resources disappear faster than before.
And this problem connects with many others, like air pollution, climate migration, food sovereignty, and sustainable agriculture. For example, when the air gets polluted, the people get sick, and many families have to leave their homes because of floods or droughts. That's climate migration. Also, global warming changes farming seasons and make it harder for communities to control their food production. That's why food sovereignty and sustainable agriculture are so important.
Now let's share our creative proposal inspired by the IPCC's ideas. We propose creating an international youth project called Planet Projectors Network.
Para mí,
Yes, that's from Case 4. The IPCC helps countries understand how to meet their promises, gives technical tools, and provides evidence to make international agreements. Its report shows what temperature goals are realistic, like 1.5 Celsius or 2 Celsius, and explain what could happen in each case.
And in case 3, the IPCC identifies who is most vulnerable, like poor countries, coastal communities, and indigenous people. It studies social and economic impacts and suggests ways to adapt, like early warning systems, coastal protection, and climate justice. That means helping the people who suffer the most.
So, the IPCC plays a big role. It helps us understand the science, shows the risks, and gives us solutions to act before it's too late. Without it, countries wouldn't know how serious the situation is.
Now let's share our creative proposal inspired by the IPCC's ideas. We propose creating an international youth project called Planet Projectors Network.
In this project, students from different countries will learn sustainable agricultural practices, like planting trees, reducing food waste, and using renewable energy in schools.
They could also share data and videos online about local environmental problems, becoming young IPCC messengers. That way, kids and teens will understand the science behind climate change and push for real actions in their communities.
The project connects perfectly with the IPCC cases. It uses evidence, helps vulnerable people, and builds cooperation between nations. Global warming is not only about temperature, it's about protecting lives, foods, and planet's future.
In conclusion, global warming is the biggest challenge of our time. It causes environmental degradation, air pollution, and even migration. But if we use science, act together, and support fair solutions, we can make a difference.